Yes, we need things as well. Number 12, Buko. As the number 11, that's 5 seconds to shot. 2 points. No, God. Now, only number 25. As the number 25. Number 25, Paso bounce. Substitute shot. Latanya out. Number 16. Number 11.
7:09 na lang natira.
Last 15 seconds to shot.
7 minutes and 3
Number
seconds.
11.
3 seconds.
Last 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points. Number 9. Pass ring number 6. 8 points. Binigay na lang po ang malamangan. Number 27. Last 15 seconds to shot.
6 minutes and 41
10
seconds.
seconds to shot. Number 12. Only make it. It is next pass. Number 11, last 10 seconds to shot. Ayan na, crossover, pinaligang papas. Number 27. Last. Nakuha eh. Last 10 seconds to shot. Number 24. 2 points. Number. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 9. Pinagdang. 5. 0 points. Papasa. Papasa mo siya malamangan. Number 11, last 10 seconds to shot.
5 minutes and 46 seconds.
Last 5 seconds to shot. Number 12. Grabe na may region. Number 20, pass to number 9. Pass to number 6. The number 27. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Kung galawin, may mahulog pa yung cellphone eh. Basket. 15 na lang.
13 na lang po
Ay,
ang
13.
malamangan.
13 kalamangan. 5 minutes and 21 seconds. 13 ang kalamangan ng Violet.
10 seconds.
Ba,
52 points.
dagdagan. Balik sa 15.
Number 25, main guy. Last 15 seconds, 25. So good. Number 11.
Hello my friend, good evening. Thank you for watching Basketball Philippines semi-final. Gray versus Violet. Score favor of Violet team.
Number 11, last 15 seconds shot. Crossover again.
Oh!
Point shot.
Ang galing naman nun.
Balik sa division ang palamangan.
DCT, 17 point, green team ay Violet.
Last 15 seconds shot. 10 seconds shot. Number 6.
Basket, 15.
Number 11.
4 minutes and 23 seconds. Final quarter.
10 seconds shot. Ang lahim agad. Nakuha ni number 24. Para kay number 20. Kay number 11 pala.
4-2.
11.
Basket.
Number 25.
Basket.
Number 11.